mystics, stars, magic, pulse, tactics, steel. Te Wānanga Raukawa Pre-Season Tournament live. YouTube Māori Plus me whakata Māori.
Hey, love, your soul is wandering in search of home.
My journey of reclaiming my Māori identity was a little bit hard. But ahakoa tērā taniwha whakamā. It's not necessarily a monster that you have to hide from. That taniwha whakamā has actually pushed me to be better. I grew up in urban settings and I didn't grow up close to where I'm from. My dad was adopted out from his whānau. Te reo Māori, our language, wasn't really something that was retained in our whānau. Toru, rua.
Tahi.
My tāne and I, we knew that we wanted our kids to grow up speaking Māori. I just had this feeling that I don't want my kids to go through the awkward journey of having to reclaim. I want to do that for them. In 2019, I enrolled into a full immersion te reo Māori course, so Monday to Friday, 9 to 3. You're only allowed to speak Māori. Reclaiming forces you to have to ask questions around your whakapapa. And if you didn't grow up around where you're from, those emotions around what you feel like you should or shouldn't know, or how Māori enough you feel, those buttons get pushed and you're sitting in a classroom.
Trying to get back the reo was very traumatic and it became prohibitive. You realise, man, this trauma pretty significantly shuts your mouth, which was the original intent, was to take the language out of your mouth and shut it. You and others like you who have done the work of reclamation are allowing another generation, my mukapuna, to be able to grow without that trauma. You are the embodiment of that hope that you sing of in Hey Love.
Hey, love.
I wrote Hey Love from the perspective of my tupuna, calling me back home. It's just validating feeling a bit lost, feeling a little bit low sometimes in the journey, but also knowing that there's hope when you can hear something calling you home to keep following it. I love seeing my kids growing up knowing their mother tongue. It feels really rewarding to go, we didn't know te reo Māori, but we do now, and our kids do now. They're equipped with their identity, they know who they are, and they'll be confident in who they are. I want Māori to know that no matter how much or how little you know, how connected or disconnected you are, if you have one Māori tupuna, you have thousands of Māori tupuna. You don't need to do anything to qualify your Māori-ness. You are Māori.
Pull the waters, find your rhythm, love. You can always find me in these skies.
We're having a moment.
Yeah.
Break.
Maharawa me on the pool.
It's whakapapa whānau.
She's in the zone. Oh, beautifully done. 2-on-1 on the shooter.
And the shot. Stand up. Tukahakwe.
E te iwi, no mai ki tā tātou pāpahotanga mataora atu i ngā purapura i te Wānanga o Raukawa. Welcome to the 8th edition of Te Wānanga o Raukawa hosted ANZ Premiership Pre-Season Poi Tarawhiti Tournament in Ōtaki. No mai ki te kemu to the second game of the day, I Wānanga I te kapa Pulse me te kapa Stars. Call Bridget Tunnicliffe ho. With me on the commentary desk is Cruz Tangira. Tēnā koe.
Tēnā koe hoa. Great to be here for the second game. Obviously we had a tight contest between the Mystics and the Tactics in the game before, but looking forward to seeing these two teams match up.
And we caught up with the coaches pre-game. First we'll hear from Pulse coach Anna Andrews-Tasola.
Kia ora, Anna. You lost 7 players in the off-season. How tough was that? How much of a panic was it actually to try and build a new team?
Kia ora. Yeah, it was a difficult situation to be in, but we're really proud of the pathway that's being created for those players and wish them all the best, but also really exciting our young ones get an opportunity to step up into this environment.
You've got a couple of Australian players who have come over. What have they added?
Yeah, a lot of grit and determination. They've been great. They've embraced our culture. They've been really amazing young women and super excited to have them a part of the team.
And pre-season, a good chance to experiment maybe?
Yeah, absolutely. We had our first full match play last week. First time they've all played together. So hopefully we just want to tidy that up over the next couple of days.
Good luck for the first game.
Now let's hear from Stars assistant coach Liana de Brain.
Well, kia ora, Liana. A few new faces in the Stars this year. What's it been like trying to mould the team together?
Kia ora. Yeah, obviously quite excited about a new team. Our whole attacking end looks a lot different than last year, but also quite a few new defenders. But Girls has been having a good hit-out pre-season against the Magic and Mystics, and yeah, it's starting to come together nice and slowly.
And Amy Landrigan, she's an Australian import. What's she like?
Yeah, awesome. Really hard worker and just a little sponge at the moment, trying to absorb everything that she can. Obviously, traditionally one-on-one defender, whereas now she comes in and defend that more not man-on, but space marking. So yeah, no, she's looking awesome.
And Martina Salmon and Amelia Walmsley, I should say, new faces in the shooting end, both really young shooters. How are they going?
Yeah, awesome. They just lots of energy in the circle and just bring something different. You know, both of them can move in that goal attack position, and that's what makes the combinations. We can change whoever we want to, and it still works.
Good luck for the first game.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Anei te rārangi ingoa mō te tīma Pulse. Goal shoot is Ina-Marie Venter. Goal attack Amelia Canasio. Wing attack Lily Gorman-Brown. Centre Emma Thompson. Wing defence Ainsliana Pugliata. Goal defence Paris Mason. Goal keep Holly Commons. And reserves Eseta Utongavaias, Leka Clark, Grace Southby, Skylar Tainui Takure, in Irina Ngarimu, Maddie Thomas and Kiana Williams.
Mehuri tātou ki te tīma whea tū. Let's have a look at the Stars. Starting at goal shoot, Amelia Walmsley. Goal attack, Martina Salmon. Wing attack, Claire O'Brien. She'll match up with Mila Rioli Buchanan in at centre. Wing defence, Abby Ledger. Goal defence, Amy Landrigan, the import from Australia. And goal keep, Kate Burley. So as these teams make their way out onto court, as mentioned, 2 new looking sides for both the Pulse and the Stars, but you'd have to say probably the Stars maybe captured the experience in the off-season with the likes of Amelia Walmsley, Martina Salmon, 2 shooters that are in the Silver Ferns at the moment.
Yeah, exciting for the Stars, I think, to get these 2 players quite early on in their careers and, pretty young Silver Ferns prospects. So yeah, Amelia Walmsley coming up against her old Pulse side. I think she had about 3 seasons with the Pulse and became really important to them. So that's a loss for the Pulse. And Martina Salmon had 2024, a breakout season with the Pulse. First came in as injury cover, but then was brought on full time because she was that good. And then last year she had a year with the Tactics. Maybe didn't get as much as court time as she would have liked. But I think the exciting thing about Salmon and Walmsley, I think that we could see them rotate positions quite regularly.
Yeah, we certainly can. And I hear that's been happening in their training games as well, going between goal shoot and goal attack. Claire O'Brien, a fantastic pickup for the Stars as well, coming from the Magic last year.
Yeah, O'Brien hoping to force her way back into the Silver Ferns, and yeah, probably a smart move for her to come and feed these Silver Ferns prospects.
For sure. As we have a look at the ball carrier, Tino Piwaria.
Mila really Buchanan is the captain this year. Been with this franchise for several seasons. Yeah, the Stars actually finished with the wooden spoon last year, but I do remember they had they had a pretty rough time with injuries.
They certainly did. I think 3 injuries in the big first half of the season. As we are underway for the second game here at Te Wānanga Raukawa. 1-2, and the ball's in. Paris Mason, though. You're not getting through me, she says.
Yeah, what a leap from Mason. She is co-captain this year of the Pulse, along with Emiliane Ikanasio, who has returned to the franchise after 4 seasons at the Magic. South African import Venter with the ball.
Look at this from Mason, the elevation and the block. Lily Gorman-Brown in that wing attack for the Pulse. Also coming from Australia. Part of the New South Wales Swifts program.
That's a confident feed from Really Buchanan.
Great to see Thompson back out on court as well. She suffered a knee injury last year. As Venter, all the confidence at the post.
Walmsley outside, goes to Really Buchanan, launches it over to O'Brien in the wing.
Oh, great swing to the top of the circle, using that triangle to open up Salmon, and the finish.
Puliata in the middle, wing defence. A good challenge from Really Buchanan.
Great screen there by Ikanasio, just using her experience. Likewise, that strong rebound.
Strong drive, O'Brien. Puliata had a crack at it. And the goalkeeper for the Pulse is Holly Commons, come over from Australia.
Bit New Zealand connection. Her father is obviously from New Zealand, played basketball in the NBL, I believe.
Yeah, he might have been a Nelson Giant store. They hold on to it, the Stars. Salmon going outside. Lots of pressure around that circle edge. Oh, great elevation from Kate Burley.
Yeah, set up nicely as well by Burley, just playing off the player to look like the space was open.
Pinpoint feed from Really Buchanan.
Look at this by Burley, just tracks back in. Great line to the ball as well.
Yeah, Burley's last season was just about a write-off. She had a foot injury. Re-aggravated it, so spent most of the year on the sideline.
Look at that quick play there by O'Brien. That's exactly what she brings to this wing attack position.
Emma Thompson, Pulse Centre. This is her first season down in Pulse colours. She did obviously previously play for the Stars. Oh, big swing into the pocket. It works.
Yeah, just have to be careful. You can see Landrigan just looking for that cross-court pass.
Jump pass into Walmsley. Oh, clever ball from O'Brien. She's got a deft touch. Oh, flash. Ignacio.
The first shot, successful. It's a strong drive off that centre pass by Claire O'Brien. It seems to be the game plan for the Stars at the moment, just getting that ball in the middle channel and then looking straight into Walmsley.
Great feed into Venter. Oh, nice drive, top of the circle.
Well, the interplay between these two is exceptional at the moment. I think we can expect a lot more of that in the ANZ Premiership.
It does feel slightly odd seeing this Pulse team without the engine room of Maddie Gordon and Whitney Souness.
And Whitney Souness, yes.
They will get their Suncorp Super Netball debuts this weekend.
He's teaming up with Kelly Jury as well, who normally is in this Pulse side.
Oh, great drive from Walmsley. Nice timing down in that Stars attacking end. Pugliata looking for support, has to swing it left.
Well, the Stars are just playing that kind of box style of defensive pressure, just filling the middle. Venter isn't successful. Oh, unlucky there by Ignacio, just going off slide ever so slightly. Again, that long feed in to Walmsley.
Yeah, Pulse lucky to get the services of Ignacio again. Oh, nice timing. Ooh. Heavy fall, but she wasn't going to let go of that ball.
Oh, that gave me a bit of a fright. Looked like her footing came out underneath her, but Commons a great job there. Look at that pressure. Sorry, look at that drive through the court, not pressure. The exact opposite. And a beautiful finish there by Ignacio. Another opportunity to put a point on the board.
Gorman-Brown goes long to Venter.
Beautiful vision there by Gorman-Brown. Oh, likewise, Salmon. Direct to Walmsley. It's a battle of the long feeds at the moment. Who can do it better?
Oh, just the ball spilled out of the hands of Ignacio. Having to be patient here, the Stars, but there's the opening to Walmsley.
So centre pass for the Stars, leading by 2.
Now they're confident going into Walmsley.
Yeah, and the placement is very perfect as well. It's kind of just behind the defender, just so they can't get a hand to the ball. Oh, likewise, that strong drive up the centre pass by Ignacio.
Benta, she has plied her trade on various leagues around the world. Last year she played in the South African League. Before that, 4 years in the UK League, and before that, a couple of two different stints with some Cork Super Netball teams.
Well, and a great pickup really for the Pulse when you lose someone like Amelia Walmsley. Oh, long pass here by Mason. She finds Ignacio.
Mason looked like she had zero control, and she somehow got it away.
So we're in the super shot for the 2. No.
She's been strong off the centre pass, Ignacio.
Well, she's been covered very tightly by Landrigan as well. Nice placement of the feed. Tino Pai Tena.
Good defensive work from the Pulse, slowing this ball down. Martina Salmon working her way into the circle and finishing.
Oh, unlucky there for Riley Buchanan. Just caught for that contact.
Benta's not happy, resetting.
She's been confident and strong to the post, has Venter.
Oh, great tip. They'll hold on to it, Stars. Salmon, she's in the 2-point zone. Nowhere near the goalpost.
I think she'll call that a pass, probably. Oh, just way too out of court there for Gorman Brown.
O'Brien. Quick offload. Commons pinged for penalty. Just on the last second offloads.
So just under a minute and a half to come. The Stars up by 1. As we check the centre pass.
Mason goes direct to Thompson.
Well, Thompson did a great job of losing Ledger on the centre edge. Oh, and a beautiful long-range shot there by Ventura.
Yeah, that'll feel good, though. They need that, the Pulse. Oh, just a bit casual. Must feel a bit strange for Terrace Mason to not have Kelly Jackson behind her.
Well, probably. Likewise, that beautiful feed there by Ekanasio. But again, another opportunity to step up into that leadership role. She's been in the Silver Fern for a few years now. Oh my goodness, the ball's on the string here for the Pulse. Finding their shooters with ease.
Worsley. Ah, Salmon. Penalty's been caused, so they will get a chance. Right under the post.
Well, actually, oh, that was actually very close. Kate Burley, while play was still happening, she actually ran offside and the umpire was about to call it, but he did it. So very lucky there for the Stars.
Well spotted. So it is the Pulse leading the Stars 18-16 after the first quarter. Nothing in it really. We're just going to take a break. We'll be back soon.
Drama, international drama, the best of Indigenous talents, drama queens,
Just wake up, sis.
and epic scenes, fiction-laced
You shouldn't have done that.
or reality-based, award-winning, riveting. If you go looking for drama, let it find you right here, this year. Ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
Time to play bad cop. You'd love that, wouldn't you?
This is England.
This is Bradford. It's the people we love who suffer when we don't do what we promise.
Oh, please, it might kill you.
How long do you think they'll last, detective?
I'll bury you.
We could change the city, you and me.
Verdi. Now the game begins.
New drama. Verdi. Ki Māori Plus. Me whakaata Māori.
Whakanui a te rima te kautau o whakatupuranga ruaman. Neke atu i te whā te kautau, te tūhono i ngā iwi ki te mātauranga Māori. Ko te mana āhapu, ko te mana āiwi. Tomo kia ngā whare mātauranga, te whare kōkiri, te whare whakatupu mātauranga, te whare oranga, te whare whakākoranga, me te whare kōrero. Nau mai ki te kāinga o Ōtaki, haere mai ki te Wānanga o Raukawa.
We've always grown more than just forests. For over a century, it's been the work of generations of New Zealanders.
People like me. I followed my dad into the job.
Me too. Hey, Pop. You probably helped plant the first tree. Cheeky bugger.
We've grown with the times too. Now we use drones to help plan and monitor forests.
Every tree we harvest, we plant another.
And that's how we keep our future growing.
Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, from up the coast to down south, stories told our way.
How can you not be amped about that?
Sharp as a tack,
You're the mana mancha.
deep as an ocean. Ahakoa kei hea koe, kei reira a Māori Plus.
Hey, Denakwe.
Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau kua uru mai koe. Pause it, rewind it, play that part again, turn it up. This is Māori Plus.
Get ready with me.
Tō mātou reo.
Go te MＡORI, go.
Tō mātou puku hohe.
So a lot of eggplant emojis there, matua.
Ooh, aroha mai, babe.
Tō mātou tirohanga. Watch it when it suits you, how it suits you.
What? I know.
Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Your mates, Māori Plus.
No mai, hoki mai, it's the second game of the day and it is the Pulse leading the Stars 18-16. But Cruz, things were really tight until basically it felt like the last 2 minutes of that first quarter when the Pulse really put their foot down, and they'll be hoping to continue that momentum.
Yeah, they certainly did. Those connections between the likes of Ekanasio and Venter, very strong down that shooting end. And we've got some changes here for the home side. Te Wānanga Raukawa Pulse, Kiana Williams, ball in hand. She'll team up with Grace Southby in at goal attack. Skylar Tainui Takire in at wing attack. So massive changes here for the home side.
Yeah, Grace Southby is a Pulse training partner. Kiana Williams is one of 3 players that the Pulse held on to from last year. But she has been dogged by injuries in the last few years, so hopefully we can see her get decent court time this year.
That's one person we haven't mentioned actually that's missing from this Pulse side is Tiana Mituaro, obviously gone to the UK.
Yeah, she was really the part of the fabric of the Pulse over several seasons. Deep into the pocket. Williams can see heavily strapped shoulder. She has had shoulder surgery in the past. Oh, straight down the middle, but it's stopped by the Pulse defence.
Well, the athleticism there by Commons probably had to contort her body to get a tip to that ball. Oh, Satutu very close to getting the ball in hand.
Oh, Williams trying to use the ball to stay inside, but to no avail. Yeah, the receive and pass in the blink of an eye. Crystal Mārua received her first full-time contract this year with the Stars. She's on at goal attack.
Oh, beautiful vision by Tainui Takire, straight into Williams.
That was an absolute launch. Martel goes outside, sweeping around, but good defensive pressure from the Pulse.
Oh, again, straight
Wow.
in.
That was straight down the throat of Williams.
Well, you can see what the... Oh, unlucky there by Williams.
Yeah, deserved to be finished.
Well, you can see what defensively what the Stars are doing, but they're just not getting back in time. Likewise down this end. Beautiful direct feed there by Maro.
Well, there's a good chance that Salmon and Commons know each other from Queensland days.
Yeah, they certainly do.
Foliata finds Southby.
Great interchange between those two. Southby just stepping back to not get caught for a short pass. Great offload as well.
Well, they're finding space down at both ends.
Yeah, contact call there on Skylar Tainui Takide, just kind of barging through Riley Buchanan. So Claire O'Brien doing most of the work down that attacking end, just really directing traffic.
Just past the fingertips of Mason.
Great pressure here by the Stars. Yep, just forcing that ball long. Really getting that ball lifted by the home side.
O'Brien immediately looks into Salmon.
Well, she's playing with a lot of confidence at the moment. Yeah, just intentional obstruction, just being caused or causing that obstruction on purpose as deemed by the umpire. So the Pulse stealing back, the Stars stealing back that lead, 26-22.
Another tip from Burley, still with the Pulse. Oh, great work. Finding that opening.
Yeah, they're doing a really good job of just changing the angle of the ball just to get that ball in a little bit easier as we have our first team timeout of this game. If you are watching for the first time, a new rule has been trialled this weekend where teams can have a timeout, one per half, 90 seconds long, and it must be called by the coach.
Yeah, last year it was called by the players, but I think they're experimenting whether it's going to be more efficient if the coaches just call it, whether it's going to work better.
In addition to this group as well for the Pulse, as we see Liana DeBrain just giving some direction to her defensive end, but in addition for the Pulse is, of course, Liana Leota coming up from the Steel last year. She's come home back to the Central Region, assisting Ana Andrews-Sosola, the head coach for the Pulse this year.
Yeah, Leota has plenty of attacking now, so the attacking players in the Pulse will obviously benefit from that. Greer Sinclair obviously had that awful injury. I think it was in the first quarter of their first game last year for the Stars. She had 1 or 2 seasons with the Tactics, was back with the Stars, did all that pre-season work, went down, ACL. I don't think we're going to see her this weekend, but she's obviously just completing her rehab, so it'll be good to see her back on court. Great presentation to the ball, Martina Salmon.
Well, the flow seems to be as that shot just goes a bit wayward there for Salmon, but the flow seems to be a lot easier down this attacking end from the Stars.
Mason, she didn't have many options.
Strong take there by Puliata. Well, very lucky. I feel like they're just getting forced into those pockets a little bit too much.
South Bay finishes it off. Oh, great entry into the circle, Grace Southby. Strong rebound, Burley.
Oh, Collins coming out looking for it. Oh, unlucky there by Mason. I thought she had a good challenge at the ball.
See, she really tried to lift that shot over the arms of the defender. Ah, sneaky from Maro. Just using the post.
So coming into the second super shot of this game. We've seen one so far in the first quarter by Venter, the goal shooter for the Pulse.
Nice finish, Maro. She inched her way closer to the post. Good defensive work from the Stars.
Great presentation as well by Southby, just rolling on top of her player just for the easy front option.
Well, they're staying with them, the Pulse. Oh, so quick.
Yeah, too easy as well. Needs to make it count though. And just these shots from the two Pulse shooters, just a few have been a bit short in the last couple of minutes. Oh, what a take.
Nice work, Williams, setting that up.
Likewise down this end, just Williams, most of his shots have been dropping short as Isita Aotangavaia comes on at goal shoot for the Pulse.
Yeah, a player we haven't seen for 1 or 2 years. But she has played ANZ Premiership netball before.
She's actually been part of the Stars outfit before.
Yes, and I think she might have played a handful of games at the Steel.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, pinpoint accurate.
Yeah, excellent, but not the finish they wanted. Selfie looking for support. Rolling forward. Going for the back option.
Strong hold by Aotanga Vaia. And the finish too. As we have the second timeout of this half, called by the Stars.
Yeah, I guess the Pulse have closed that gap a little. Stars were up by 4 at one stage.
Well, the momentum has certainly shifted a few times in this game with the Stars early on, and now it's come back to the Pulse. Perfect opportunity just for the coaches just to get the team back on track. You can see head coach Temepara George giving lots of direction to that attacking end.
Yeah, Stars have 5 changes from last year's team. Obviously the new ones are Wormsley and Salmon. Crystal Maro, who has come up from the NNL side. Claire O'Brien, who had spent the last 2 seasons at the Magic, and import player, young Aussie defender, Amy Landrigan.
Previously with the Giants in that program, Amy Landrigan.
Yeah, Giants TP training partner last year. She did get 1 game in the SSN. Maro finds Salmon.
Oh, again. These feeds this quarter going into the shooting circle for the Pulse.
Yeah, she's been impressive.
I think that's her 3rd one so far this quarter.
Snaffled up by Commons. Stars hang on to it.
Just really good patience there by O'Brien, waiting for that front defender to commit to that front ball and then just popping it into the space.
Just waiting for the floor to be wiped. Burley will have to stand down, so it's tough for the goalkeeper. 2-on-1.
Great confident shot by the Pulse.
That's quick work. Salmon makes sure of it.
Last minute of the second quarter.
Puliata swings it right. Sharpie sweeps around. Stars have got 30 seconds.
Yeah, great direction there by Burley, just telling O'Brien there's plenty of space behind you. Likewise on that feed.
Yeah, what a pass and the balance from Salmon on that baseline.
Oh, they need to get it in.
So, a better quarter from the Stars. They have taken the lead from the Pulse. They leading at half-time 32-29. We will be back in about 10 minutes for second half action. Ka kite.
Kāroa ki MāORI Plus me whakaata MāORI.
Whakanui a te rima te kautau o whakatupuranga ruaman. Neke atu i te whā te kautau, te tūhono i ngā iwi ki te mātauranga Māori. Ko te mana āhapu, ko te mana āiwi. Tomo kia ngā whare mātauranga. Te whare kōkiri, te whare whakatupu mātauranga, te whare oranga, te whare whakākoranga, me te whare kōrero. Nau mai ki te kāinga o Ōtaki. Haere mai ki te Wānanga o Raukawa.
You ready?
Smash him, baby!
This is called the Sharma Special.
Nice!
The Ganguli Googly. The Dusra. Dad. Ooh. Hey, your mum's calling you.
No, your mum's calling you.
You asked for it. Catch it, Samir!
You don't know where your parents are, eh? There was a boy once just like you who came to my stall. I gave him a pork bun until he became one. He stayed a gluttonous ball of pork and yumminess for eternity. And I ate him. Yes, I did. Finger-licking delicious. You want to end up like them? Then go. Be gone. Find your parents before it's too late! Kiunga, go and see if he's all right. Bloody kids.
What are you looking at, you little fart?
Yeah, did your parents teach you any manners, you little fart, your boy fart?
Are you judging me? Like how my wife judges me. Are you gonna leave me like how my wife left me? Huh? You got lucky, boys. You little farts. Pair of farts.
What's up, little homie? How about this jam, boys?
My body's telling me to go home. My mind is telling me to have one more go. The party's going crazy like psycho. Someone go find a DJ, tell him one more. So wanna see us. I wanna find someone and follow the leader. I work a weekend, now I want margarita. The place is set on fire, pour gasolina. I love my peers.
Jan, there you are, Sus Mariosep. I've been looking for you everywhere. Oh my gosh. You're lucky these people looked after you. What do you say?
They went into the night, eh, boy, and they still found you. That's the way of the night market.
All right, boo boy. Time to go home.
See you next week, Goose. Yeah, pare.
Yarawa mā ngai nui, ngā pūmanawa e waru. '26 Kapahaka Regionals. Stream it live a pōpō ki Māori Plus me whakaata Māori.
E te iwi hoki mai rā, it is half-time here and it is the Stars leading 32-29 off the back of Crews. A really good second quarter where it just seemed like they found more flow on attack.
Yeah, certainly, and just finding the placement of the ball into the shooting circle was fantastic. Obviously losing the first quarter, but put their foot down, found those connections, and have come out strong starting the second half.
Ignacio is back on at goal attack for the Pulse, so that will surely help their cause.
Young defender Ava Silla on at goal keep for the Stars. I thought she was going to get called for 3 seconds.
Yeah, sort of balking and getting into her head. Quick release.
Look at this feed by Ignacio. Again, the placement.
O'Brien beats the two defenders.
Oh, just a tip there by O'Brien as well.
Good defensive work on the Pulse. Oh, I didn't think that was going to be quite high enough, but she just had a bit of backspin on it.
Yeah, just cleared the fingertips of Commons. That ball going nice and freely now into that shooting circle for the Stars, as it did in the second quarter.
Yeah, getting good front position down there, Wormsley. Fair amount of argy-bargy between Mason and Maro. Top of the circle, Thompson spreads it left.
Yeah, beautiful repositioning there. Just finding Vento on the baseline. Very lucky to get that one. I thought Burley had a good challenge on the ball.
Yeah, it was awkward for Ignacio. Oh, too much.
Well, and that was kind of the same play for the last three phases of the Stars. Just needed a bit of a change, a bit of variety down there now.
Claire O'Brien making a menace of herself on defence. Big diagonal.
Oh, great cover there by Sotutu. So the difference 3 now. 36-33. Oh, what a drive by Gorman Brown, and the pass. Again, it feels like the momentum has changed and back with the home side.
Defensive pressure, Gorman Brown. Oh, that's a tough one for O'Brien. Pulse pick it up. And that started from the pressure of O'Brien. She was just breathing down the neck of the Pulse player.
Yeah, and even if she's not getting the tip to the ball, it's the fact that she's putting the pressure on and it's making the attacking end second guess.
Gorman Brown swings it left to Thompson.
Oh, beautiful bounce pass too. So to the difference now, Stars leading 37-35.
Mārua goes outside, burrows away closer to the goalpost.
This connection between Thompson and Gorman Brown certainly is getting stronger and stronger. Likewise, that connection between Ekanasio and Venter.
Yeah, the defenders weren't expecting that pass from Ekanasio. Gee, O'Brien's having a good game.
Certainly is.
Mārua, now she's happy to shoot. On 1 foot.
As soon as they swing that ball cross court, it seems like they've just got, you know, a few clear options opening up for the Pulse as they turn over that ball. Contact call on Ekanasio.
Mārua, who does she go to? Outside. Wormsley, she's such a good target.
Yeah, she really is. And just over the years as well, just using her body to protect that space.
Straight away goes to Wormsley. No mucking around. Oh, nicely weighted ball from Gorman Brown. She's missed a few, Venter.
Well, replay ball, pass only.
Just past the away arm of the goalkeeper. Ekanasio keeps it in. Yeah, nice deft touch on that pass into Venter. She needs to finish it, she does.
Yeah, and the strong rebound just before there by Ekanasio as well. Great drive. across the top of the circle by Maro.
Mason with a challenge.
So, coming up to the final 6 minutes of this third quarter, Kate Burley, I don't think he was expecting to get at least a hand to that ball.
It's a good shot from Venter. Wolsey outside. Maro pivoting.
Just tracking the work of Claire O'Brien. She's doing so much repositioning just to give a better option for her two shooters.
Yeah, Silver Ferns coach Dame Nolan Totoa has talked about O'Brien's netball IQ.
Yeah, very high.
That was efficient from the Pulse. Super shot period has come into play. Mardle goes outside again.
Yeah, that was bound to happen, but backed up nicely there by Venter.
Oh, again to that pocket. That is a risky move.
Well, I reckon maybe go back to the transverse line just to kind of reset the ball in a straight line rather than swinging it all the way across the circle.
Oh, great work from Paris Mason, reading that one on the 45-degree angle. Oh, there was poetry.
The double play, too easy there. Look at this by Mason. She saw it. So she's got an opportunity to go for the two, and she will. Backed up nicely there by Ikanasio.
Venter again with the double. She makes it count. So only one in it. Oh, she was alone, Wormsley. Oh, lucky to hold on to that ball, Pulse. Ikanasio chips in with the double.
That's exactly what we expect there from Ikanasio. Beautiful high shot. Oh, Thompson.
Yeah, nuggety work from Thompson around the circle edge.
So 2 minutes left of this third quarter.
Again, they
love
like
that pocket,
swinging
don't
it.
they? Yeah. I feel like every single play they've gone all the way to the pocket.
Ikanasio goes for the safe option.
So they take the lead by 1, 46-45, just over a minute left.
Oh, she's flying through for that intercept. That was excellent.
Beautiful work there by Ava Silla, going all the way out of the side of the circle, but tracked it back and hunted it down. Look at this. She was coming back in and just snatched it by Gorman Brown.
Pulse would like to get another goal here.
Well, they've got under 10 seconds now. They need a rush.
Oh, good repositioning from Venter. She ticks the score over for the Pulse. And it is 47 all at the end of the third quarter. So a better quarter there for the Pulse. It's all on, 15 minutes left in this game. We're just going to take a break. Be back soon.
Look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, from up the coast to down south, stories told our way.
How can you not be amped about that?
Sharp as a tack,
You're the mana mancha.
deep as an ocean. Ahakoa kei hea koe, kei reira a Māori Plus.
Hey, tēnā koe.
Quick scroll, one tap, ka mau kua uru mai koe. Pause it, rewind it, play that part again, turn it up. This is Māori Plus.
Get ready with me.
Tō mātou reo.
Kau te manoarere, kau.
Tō mātou puku hohe.
So a lot of eggplant emojis there, matua.
Aroha mai, babe.
Tō mātou tiroha. Watch it when it suits you, how it suits you.
What? I know.
Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Your mates, Māori Plus.
If I get hurt, who's going to help me with my contact lenses?
Whakanui a te rima te kautau o whakatupuranga ruamai. Neke atu I te whā te kautau, te tūhono I ngā iwi ki te mātauranga Māori. Ko te mana āhapu, ko te mana āiwi. Tomo kia ngā whare mātauranga, te whare kōkiri, te whare whakatupu mātauranga, te whare oranga, te whare whakākoranga, me te whare kōrero. Nau mai ki te kāinga o Ōtaki, haere mai ki te Wānanga o Raukawa.
Ia tāku e whai nei ko te oranga tonutanga o tōku I. E rua rā no ai ho pēr, tapiti atu a te Pākehā. Ko tahi tonu te hotinga atu, o te mata. Ia te mata noi!
Ki te patua te tāhaira. Ka patua hoki koe.
Kia rā kau nei tātou papai ai. Tāna! Watu! Pēhau! Pamai tonua au kākua! Hāka! Hāka! Hāka!
Ka whawhai tonu. Streaming now ki MāORI Plus.
Local drama, international drama,
UCI verdict.
the best of Indigenous talents, drama queens,
Just wake up, sis.
and epic scenes, fiction-laced
You shouldn't have done
or
that.
reality-based, award-winning, riveting. If you go looking for drama, let it find you right here, this year, ki MāORI Plus me whakaata Māori.
no mai hoki mai. We've got 15 minutes left and it is all on because we are 47 all. Pulse Stars. Pulse led the first quarter by 2 goals. Stars then led the third quarter by 3. But the Pulse came back stronger, Cruz, in that third quarter. And, you know, obviously Ignacio was a very calming presence down that attacking end.
Yeah, certainly. But also the connection with her and Venter as well, just really finding those gaps and likewise fed nicely by the likes of Gorman Brown and Thompson. They've kept them staying lined up for this final quarter, so potentially the ability to keep it close or at least get the win.
Gorman Brown.
What a take there by Thompson.
Brian finds Salmon outside.
Oh, very lucky there for Commons, just getting assisted by the post. Nice cut back there. Again, swing into that pocket. They love the pocket.
Gorman Brown swings it into Venter.
Yeah, beautiful one-handed release. Typical Aussie pass.
Gugliata. Thompson goes for Venter.
Yeah, nice patience as well by Thompson. So strong start for this quarter for the home side, out by 2.
Yeah, Wormsley, we might see her out at goal attack a bit more this year. Thompson on 1 foot, finds Venter. Oh, clever tap down to Ignacio. I think she felt she was falling out.
Well, when we talk about netball IQ, that is netball IQ. When you understand that where your body is going, if you're falling out of court, flicking it to your partner.
Yeah, Salmon was just in a bit of a tangle with Commons.
Great.
Nice.
Yeah, good finish. Probably a confident finish there by Salmon.
Oh, she tried to really force that ball through, but it just wasn't going to happen. Oh, nice presentation to the ball, Venter.
Oh, really far too easy as well. The defender's just letting her get that front space. Gorman Brown with the tip. You do feel like a sense of new energy or more energy here from the Pulse.
Again, Salmon wasn't in a good position for that pass.
But Mason was. Fantastic effort by her, just snatching that ball.
Oh, getting down low.
Of course, Mason and Wormsley know each other very well. Oh, beautiful feed there by Mason. She's known for those long feeds as well. The vision.
Yeah,
Venter just asking for it to be up just a little bit, but it made its target there.
Yeah, I've been waiting for Mason to do that.
Again, just the smarts. Her experience coming to play now.
Wormsley.
She looked a little bit awkward as well in her standing position. Didn't know where to kind of turn her feet. Again, the placement. She's been fantastic this evening, Claire O'Brien.
Yeah.
Just those first-second releases.
Her opposite, Emma, well, no, not opposite, but centre for the Pulse, Emma Thompson, have been impressed with her too.
Yeah. This would be the second pre-season game for the Pulse. Of course, they played Tauranga, the Pulse men team, last week in Hawke's Bay.
O'Brien.
Oh, yeah, not high enough, but the athleticism there by Mason. Been impressed by Gorman Brown. Oh, Venter.
That felt lucky.
Exactly. Well, again, just coming to the board rather than waiting for the board to come to her as we get a timeout, a team timeout here called by the Stars. Yeah, very lucky on that pass there by Venter. But again, her netball IQ is when the ball is short, you have to move your feet to the ball rather than waiting. Exactly what she did in that circumstance.
Yeah, I think in the space of a week, Gorman Brown has been a lot more definitive compared to when we saw her in Napier last weekend.
Agreed. And also, you know, 8 times out of 10, she's not actually getting the ball, but she's doing enough to pull a defender away to then open up the space behind her.
Temepara George, who's second year coaching the Stars, had a bit of a horror year at her debut season as coach last week. Wasn't helped by the run of injuries that they had. But yeah, it is quite astounding to think the experience that the Pulse lost in the off-season. Kelly Jackson and Maddie Gordon to the Queensland Firebirds, Whitney Stearns to the Giants, Tiana Maturo to the English League, Wormsley Stars, Laura Bama and Whāmu Ioane both to the Tactics. Tough to deal with. Ignacio swinging it into that pocket. So Pulse pushing out that lead. It was drawn at 3/4 time, but the Pulse 6 ahead. Wormsley,
yeah, just unlucky there by Puliata. I think it was an offside call. No contact actually on Puliata, but she did a great job of tracking O'Brien outside. They're playing with ease now and a lot of freedom. It seems like the ball's just flowing very, very nicely down this attacking end for the Pulse. Just change here for the Stars. Tuila Satutu coming on at wing attack. And another turnover out of court.
Uriata fires it down to Thompson.
Yeah, look at the width and the length that they're playing with as well. Just really no one on it from the Stars. But they get a turnover here.
Yeah, maybe a bit too cute from Ignacio.
Unlucky, it didn't look like she went offside, but called by umpire Zach Middleton.
So Tutu have to go back. Really Buchanan lets it rip into Martina Sam and it paid off. Ignacio finds Thompson.
Unlucky, just waiting for Venter to cut
Dodge,
back to the
yeah.
post. Yeah.
Wormsley with the shot, just falls away.
Amelia Wormsley. Commons just having a bit of a hug there under the post.
So 2-2 finds Wormsley. She's doing a good job of getting closer to the post.
Yeah, great cut around the top of the circle. So 3 the difference now. Great effort by the Stars to bring it back as we head into the final super shot of the day.
Oh, nice movement from Venter to lose her defender. Pulse now call a timeout. 4.5 minutes left. Maybe a chance to discuss tactics in this super shot period.
Yeah, well, there's really nothing in it. It's probably going to come down to those just final mistakes. If we have a look at the shooting circle of the Pulse, Amelia Ann Ignacio and Marie Venter, just their connection, as I spoke about, Bridget, certainly has stepped up a level since we saw them last week, and just utilising those out feeders as well.
Yeah, Venter has started to come into her own for sure since the second half. Yeah.
Yeah, and the beautiful experience there of Amelia and Ignacio. And they're both very versatile shooters as well. They're not afraid to put the hold on, but then I'm not afraid to, use that movement to open up the space. Can shoot from range, can also shoot right under the post as well. So 2 big threats there for the shooting circle of the home side. Looking forward to seeing them in the ANZ Premiership, which kicks off in around about 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Not too far away.
Yeah. Yeah, another season, well, can you call it a shortened season? I guess it's the new norm now, 2 rounds.
Yeah, 2
I actually think I prefer the 2 rounds.
I agree as well. Yeah, I think 3 is probably just a little bit too much. And of course, don't forget we have the Commonwealth Games in July. So Mila really Buchanan to get us underway.
She had to fight for that. Well, 2-2 finds Wormsley outside. Oh, the bounce pass under the legs of Commons. Ignacio, it's a good challenge there.
Oh, she was looking for it right from the very get-go.
She'll be annoyed at herself for not getting that ball.
Well, she had 2 hands on it, didn't she? Well, 2, yeah, tips to it, I guess.
Oh, nearly a hell ball, yes, it is. So 2-2. Salmon makes sure of it.
So 2 the difference and a chance to score.
Good defensive work here from the Pulse.
Well, very measured in their approach as well. The Stars not afraid to just take their time, find the best option.
Oh, she just sweeps in Walmsley. Oh, good elevation from Mason. Won it back, the Pulse. Gorman Brown going back.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the release valve interventor.
Well, great build-up as well.
Good defensive work, Stars.
Great take there by Thompson. Full stretch. Oh,
replay.
Yeah. So 3 the difference, 1:40 left.
She'll be called for obstruction, Gorman Brown. Really Buchanan taking every second ball, and she finds Walmsley. Two in it.
Well, do they go for the 2 or do they just go for the 1, get the ball back, another opportunity?
Go for the 2. So 2-2 fires it down to Walmsley. Salmon outside.
So 2-2 doing really good work of finding the circle edge, but it's a held ball. Great vision.
Yeah, the presence of mind to drive into that ball.
Yeah, just looking over the mess and the finish as well by Venter.
Yeah, they're playing calm netball, the Pulse.
Come on, give us a 2, close out the match.
It's on this side. This side, along with me.
Going to play this clock down. Penalty set. 62-58. Pulse beat the Stars. It's a topsy-turvy game, Cruz. A lot of twists and turns.
Yeah, certainly the momentum shifted a lot in that game. Pulse winning that first quarter, then the Stars, then it was even in the third, and then Pulse coming away. But deserved that win actually, especially in that in that final quarter where they just lifted up the energy a little bit. They were more consistent down that attacking end and they weren't afraid to hunt down that defensive end. I thought the likes of Amelia Ignacio really stood up her connection down with her feeders as well, and great to see Mason stepping into that leadership role.
Yeah, absolutely. I thought And Emma Thompson in centre was an absolute workhorse for the Pulse, and she regularly found centre circle as well.
Yeah, she certainly did, as the teams just congratulate everyone. As we end day one of the pre-season tournament here at Te Wānanga Raukawa. Mystics and the Tactics, of course, played the first game. Tactics winning that one 50-47. And then, of course, the Pulse versus the Stars, where the Pulse had come away with a 3-goal win, 61-58. Do not forget, whānau, there is so much more netball action coming to you throughout the 3 days here at Te Wānanga Raukawa. First game started at 9:55 tomorrow, Tactics versus Magic, followed by the Steel and the Stars, Mystics and Pulse, and the final game to round out day two of this pre-season tournament is between the Magic and the Steel at 6:25 tomorrow evening. However, let's hear from the captain of the Pulse. Bridget is standing by with Paris Mason.
Well, congratulations on the first up win, Paris. Lots of twists and turns in that game. You must be pleased how you held your nerve.
Yeah, I think first of all it's just really exciting to play a group of women for once. I think we've been training really, really hard, lots of resilience work when playing against the men, but being able to come out here and play a style that we love to dominate the air, so being able to see all of us just excel in the area today, I was really proud of the girls, and I'm absolutely stoked with the result for our first hit out.
And a new defensive partner in Holly Commons, what's it like playing with her?
Oh, you know what, she's just a sponge. I mean, she's so young, so she's just ready to learn everything. I think she's come off a really big injury, so seeing her just build confidence every day in, day out, every training she's going. So being able to be that leader for her is definitely a special place to be, and I think we're tracking along really well to become quite strong together.
And are you going to watch your old Pulse mates play in Australia this weekend if you get a chance?
Oh, absolutely. I'm so excited to watch them. I think I go over and see Mad soon. So I'm hanging out for a couple more weeks till I go and see her and Kelly. So, yeah, I'm super excited to see them.
Tina Quay, thanks. Good luck for the rest of the tournament.
Ngā thank you.
Well, great to hear from Paris Mason as we wrap up day one of the pre-season tournament here at Te Wānanga Raukawa. Hoi anō, mihi kawana kia koutou ko ngā kai mātaki e mātakitaki nei I tēnei pō. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. Don't forget, so much more netball action coming to you over the next 2 days. But until then, take care, have a great evening. A tōna wā.
How far back do you want me to go?